Hello guys, Ilya here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. Basically, it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So all we need firstly is just to open the App Store or Play Market if you have the Android phone, and then just search for Snapchat right up here. So I will just input Snapchat, and as you can see we have the option to update our app. So all you need is just to update. Sometimes you can open, it means that you have the latest version. Basically, if you have the update button, you need to update it right up here. So let's wait for a second until it will be successfully updated. So in a few seconds everything is done, and now we are ready to open the Snapchat. So just click on open, and then as you can see I don't have this problem now, but if you still have this problem you need to close the app, close everything basically, and then just find it on your table here. So now we need to go to settings right up here, and in a search bar I will just input the Snapchat. So we need to find it like the app settings in our settings. So just click on it, and as you can see we have some options here. We need to basically we need to go to storage, and then just find the Snapchat as the application. It may take a little time until it will be downloaded for the whole iPhone. You can do the same on your Android. Maybe the navigation will be a little bit different, but I think it's just the same. So after everything is done, we need to scroll down here to find the Snapchat. So just click on it, and then we need to click on delete the app, and after that our app will be successfully deleted, and we need to re-upload it using the App Store or Google Play. And after that 100% your problem will be successfully fixed. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and watch my other tutorials. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.